checking out our new air fryer.
Which I sat on this morning.
Yes, you sat on. So let's have a seat. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to our show, and thanks for tuning in. In this episode, we're gonna look at our new air fryer because we like
Air and we like fire, so put it together, air fryer.
well, yes, but this is gonna cook some really good chicken nuggets.
I saw some French fries on the package.
French fries, or
Hey, what else is on?
well, we're about to bring it over here. What's all this stuff? Pizza rolls. Come on.
And chicken nuggets right now.
Chicken nuggets. All right, let's see what we got.
You already said chicken nuggets.
We did.
Boom!
Look at there.
Here it is. It is not as tall as me, but on the
Almost.
table, it is not taller than
Can
me.
you see over it? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we have the Ninja brand Foodi 2-basket air fryer,
Ninja Foodi.
dual zone.
2-basket air
Nice.
fryer.
Look at it. There's a big hole here. Compliments of a UPS. Hope it's not broken.
Yeah.
See, got 2 handles on either side there.
Yeah.
But I bet we have a
Barcode.
Bar-
Oh, you hit the barcode.
punch the code. So this, look here. It says here.
Zone,
Which-
like almost like a no feeding zone. Like
Yes.
At the petting zoo.
Yeah, like you're not supposed to feed the animals.
Yeah, and me and my granny and Papa went to a zoo where we get to feed them, and it wasn't fair. Well, it was fair, but there was a no feeding zone.
Right. But this is a little bit different.
I know.
This
It's
is-
totally different.
Oh, this is a dual zone technology, which means you can cook 2 different foods 2 different ways. All right. So look here, we have that looks like salmon and asparagus, chicken nuggets and French fries and vegetables. It looks like maybe chicken parmesan, some more French fries. What your favorite?
Wait, what is it?
Brussels sprouts.
Oh, I don't like Brussels sprouts.
I thought you loved Brussels sprouts. Let's see. Oh, look, here's some more stuff. 8-quart capacity, so we have 2 4-quart baskets. Looks like egg
French
rolls, maybe
fries.
French fries,
Maybe like steak or something?
steak or salmon, or
Pizza! Well, we
Pizza.
already have a pizza oven, so we don't even.
right. Dehydrates.
He built it
and
his own
bakes.
self.
Well, we'll talk about that definitely in another video. So you think anything else we need to talk about?
Yeah, what's that?
What's this? So we
It's
have
like a remote.
a wide temperature range for it goes 105 degrees to 450 degrees. A non-stick crisper plate. Look at that, that's pretty cool.
I'm just putting one nail on it.
Independent cyclonic fans and rapid heaters. And like you said earlier, a dual 4-quart cooking basket. And of course, that's the main unit. So you ready to open it up?
Yeah. I'm
Right.
super ready. No, don't use a knife. I want to use my scissors.
No, we have to use a knife for this.
Scissors
I promise you. On these episodes, you can use your scissors. My trusty Kershaw here. Kershaw.
coming in to
Who's that?
somebody's in to help.
What's her name?
Her name is the Queen of the Dark. I actually talked about her. Well,
She's been here on other videos, right?
yeah, I actually wrote about her in Writer's Workshop.
Oh, cool. So here we can it talks about registering.
I don't think I started my picture yet.
That's okay. You never finish your work at school. You get distracted and talking too much when you come through your reading your writer's workshop.
No, I don't.
Do you ever draw? Every time?
Mhm.
Every time?
Mhm.
Every time?
Mhm.
Okay.
Get a record. It's not a video. It's not called face video.
FaceTime. Alright, so here's a reminder to register your product and
She's ready to open.
special perks. It may be a
Did you actually?
cookbook
Did you
or
peek in it?
recipes.
Did you
Nope.
peek in
No, it's just not cut it open. Alright. The next flap here
Pretty. Looks like she's washing the dishes.
talks about the start and finish time, some basic programming, step 1, step 2 through 4, or 1 through 3, depending just what setting you want to work on.
She's never seen something like this.
Alright, what's this? What do you think this is?
I think it.
Do not place appliance on hot surface or near a hot gas or electric burner. So don't put it on your stove top where it'll get melted.
I already read.
Kickstarter recipes. Quick start guide. And the complete owner's manual. Alright. Do you think there's anything here we need to know about?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe not. Some more recipes. Talks about using single zone, dual zone, probably temperature preferences. So we're going to put this back in here.
She's getting some tan, but it's in her eyes. How's she getting tan? Oh, from the lights. She's getting tan from the lights. How's she getting tan from the lights? That's weird.
Alright, here we go. You ready? Ready? Move her out of the way.
Oh,
There we go.
she's my special doll.
A ball
You
of
know, I
plastic.
got this from your mom. I got this from your mom.
Oh, good.
From my birthday.
If she's my mom, she's your what?
Granny.
Or grandma, yeah. Alright, so here we are. Ready? Can you help me pull this? Oh, I bet it's taped.
Wait.
Yep. Taped twice.
Twice as taped.
Alright, let's try this again. Slowly lift it. Ready? Go. Ooh.
Yay, I get
There
to
we go.
keep this.
For what?
Put it, make a craft. I am a crafting girl.
She crafts all of the time.
Not at school.
Sometimes.
Well, today I actually did a craft too,
Oh, good.
but it was at art.
So let's see here. We have a few pieces of tape. Take off here and there. We have
It's a mirror.
one basket here. Looks like it's just a piece of cardboard to keep the.
I can't see.
Just a piece of cardboard. That was in there. Look at there, another piece of cardboard. You want to keep it?
Yeah, let me have the other piece of cardboard.
It's in the trash. We'll get it out, okay? We'll get it out. And some different modes and tips on here and everything. Power button, temperature, time. Zone 1 or zone 2. You get air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate and bake, smart finish, or match cook. We'll get into a little bit of instructions about what all that means. And we'll actually hook this up. Try to cook a few things to see how it comes out. Everybody, just going off the quick start guide here for the Ninja Foodi. Have it plugged in. I'm gonna power it up. It says here to place your food if you're doing a smart finish, which is you're cooking 2 separate foods with 2 different functions. So first off I have here is tater tots. It says to deep fry at 350 and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. So we're going to see what happens here. We're going to put our handful in here. Make that 2. Move it around a little bit. Alright. Set time temperature. 1 temperature. Nope. Oh, air fry. Temperature. 350. Turn this a little bit. You can see maybe. 350. Time. Let's do 5 minutes and see what happens. And the second one, we're going with the home style boneless chicken. And it says 425 for 15 minutes in the oven. So take the bites, air fry, and probably what we're going to do is pretend we're going to fry them. So we're going to do number 2, air fry. I'm going to do 400 on it for 8 minutes. And start. And there we go. Pretty neat here. Just tighten down. You can't hear it, but it is spinning up. So either it's fixing to take off or cook our food. Hopefully cook some food because it's late and I'm hungry. I missed that here. You can hit Smart Finish. It'll actually start one before the other to have them finish at the same time. So we have a little over 4 minutes and 20 seconds here. I'm gonna let it go. And until then, I'll fix me a drink. Just in case you're wondering, today's beverage of choice is the 1792 Full Proof. It's Kentucky Straight Bourbon. It is a 62.5 or 62.5 alcohol per volume or 125 proof. A little bit of ice melt. This is perfect. It only takes one for a nightcap. A Yeti? Alright. Let's see here. We're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I do feel excessive heat coming out of the back. I like that. You know what else? Feeling the heat. Right. Check on the wee offspring. I'll be right back. Miss me? Alright. We're down to just the final seconds here in the tater tots. I definitely smell something. I wonder what happens if I open it. A little hot. Hard to tell, but it's still frozen. Look at it. I can push 1 and time up. Look at it. It automatically adds the time I need over there. Amazing. Ninjas make a fine product. Like I said earlier, a Ninja blender. Coffee pod grinder. Alright, be right back. Right, getting close to the minute countdown again. I'm curious how the chicken is now. I know we're getting close. I put it on 8 minutes. I don't see any smoke coming from it, so let's just slide it out and see what it may look like. Alright. Look at there. Let's try this little one. Oh, I dropped it. Alright. It's hot. Alright. Got this little piece here. That's good. I wonder though, the bigger piece is going to be done yet. What you see here, the both timers went out. It says cool on both sides. Still quite a bit of heat coming from the back. Check these tater tots out now. Look at there. Oh. I didn't realize how loud that was. It's pretty loud. Almost. I think you need one more minute on that. One more minute. I'm gonna tell it 2. So select 1. That said air fry. I said 2 minutes. It's already had a temp in there. There we go. We'll try one of these big nuggets. Right there. Alright. You see that right there? Almost. Put it on top. There's probably some caution about being on top, but it'll be okay. Let that chicken go for about 2 more minutes. The outside's not quite crispy yet, but it was good. Not frozen no more, which is a good thing. Heated all the way through. Outside could be a little more crispy. Doesn't quite have that crunch that I'm hoping for out of an air fryer. All right, you see it starts slowing down, fans not blowing as hard. Went to cool, not in. Look at that. Just here about 25 seconds or so. Then it's going to be starting this cool down process. Tater tots. Ooh, nice and crispy. I don't know if you see the steam coming off of it, but they're steaming hot. Very good. Very good. Alright, we're cooling down. We should be done. There. Nice and quiet. Alright. There we go. On my fine paper china, you'll see we have air fried tater tots and chicken nuggets, or boneless chicken bites. I won't make you watch me eat these because it looks delicious. So in the meantime, I'm gonna take you back to our video. Have a good night.
I already got like 10 or so mosquito bites.
Well, because we went fishing. Alright, so let me see this. Let me see this.
Hmm.
All right.
Maybe use the
I will. Anything? Hey, stop. Anything else you want to talk about this? Yeah, we're about to end the video. We had literally took it out of the box. We talked about a little bit of it. You jabba-jawed a whole bunch. Got distracted by these little things. Now you playing with this with what's her name?
Queen of the Dark.
The Queen of the Dark, and she's wearing pink. Anyway, that's her.
Her real name is Audrey.
Audrey. Okay, that is the. This is
She's
our.
from Descendants.
Cool. Okay.
So it looks like. It looks like these are like door handles.
Mm-hmm. They're drawers. That's where you put the food to cook it.
Wow.
Alright. This is the Ninja brand.
Ninja. And we already got a Ninja coffee pot.
We have a Ninja coffee pot, a Ninja blender, a Ninja bean grinder.
And
Ninja's a good brand. They last a long time. We've had a lot of good luck with them. So this is the Ninja Foodi. Dual zone. 8-quart total. 6-in-1. Air fryer and several other
I'm
things.
getting married today.
So, thanks for tuning in.
He's getting married.
And if you like the video, hit like. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button.
And for more of our videos,
Hit subscribe to see more of our
for
videos.
notification, hit the bell, which should be right over here by Audrey.
Somewhere right down here. Right here?
Somewhere right over
Right
here
over
by
here.
Audrey.
Maybe there. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. You have a
It
great
goes everywhere.
everywhere. Thank you.
Everywhere. It can even be in our house right now.
We gotta wrap up the video, but we can't just keep on talking. Alright? Thank you for tuning in. We're out of here. Good night.